I just wanna touch it. You don't want my heart. Baby, you just hit the thought of me with someone new.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this brown smoky eye full face beat. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just continue watching the full video. Going in with my transition shade, and it's just like a brown color, the same color as my skin tone, and I'm going to put this all over the lid, and this is just going to help all my eyeshadows blend more seamless. Now I'm going to take this dark brown eyeshadow, and this is from Inglot, and I'm going to put this in the outer V corner of the lid using tapping motions, and this is going to help the eyeshadow appear more vibrant. So now I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to apply this above that brown color, and what I'm doing is blending out that harsh line between that dark brown color so it can just be really smooth and seamless. Going in with this matte concealer, and I'm going to use this as a guidance to carve out the front of the lid. Just a light little cut crease, nothing too dramatic. And I also use it as a primer to apply the eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pack this on where I applied that concealer and carved out the crease, and I'm just going to keep packing it on. And yeah, I'm using Nylon by MAC, the eyeshadow. Now I'm just going back in with that same eyeshadow brush in that brown, and I'm just blending out the harsh line between the two colors. For eyeliner, I use the Sephora black eyeliner, the liquid liner, and yeah, I didn't do it on camera, but yeah. So now I'm just going in with my primer, which is the Smashbox Smooth and Blur, which I love. And now I'm going in with my foundation, which is the Black Op Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm like obsessed with this foundation right now. I really love it. It's very full coverage. Also, the color range is really on point. I love how it was so easy for me to just find my color. I didn't have to keep like going through all the shades. Like, it's really on point. Like, just look at it. So now I'm going in with the 24-Hour Wear Studio Fix Concealer by MAC, and I'm just going to put this under the eyes, the nose, the chin, under the lip, just the same places I do all the time. And yeah, we're just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. And then I'm going to go in with Colourpop concealer just to brighten it up a little bit under the eyes more, just because I felt like that concealer wasn't bright enough. It was kind of blend in with my foundation, so I just wanted to make it a little brighter. So now I'm going to go in with my setting powder, and I'm going to set under the eyes where I put the concealer so I won't have any creases throughout the day. And I'm using the Huda Beauty's setting powder. I don't know the shade name, but I'll have it listed down below. So now we're going to go in with the powder, and this is the Mineralized Skin Finish Powder by MAC, and I'm going to take this and I'm just going to set that foundation with the powder foundation, and this is just going to help my face from looking oily or shiny throughout the day. So yeah, make sure you set your foundation always. So now it's time to warm up the face, and we're going to be using Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and we're going to be using her bronzer to warm up the face and contour at the same time. I think this shade is called Mocha Mami. I really love this bronzer. It's really nice. And then I go back in with my powder and clean it up to give it a more sharp appearance. I'm also using the CoverGirl bronzer, and I'm just going to use that to warm up the face as well. So I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow pencil. It's in nude, just to put in the waterline. And this is just going to make my eyes pop and appear a little bit more bigger. And now I'm just going to go in with some mascara over that. And yeah, time to set that face with some Fix Plus. So for my lips, I'm going to go in with MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. And I'm just going to align the lips before I apply my lipstick. And I'm just like obsessed with lining my lips with every look I do now. So you guys are going to see a lot of that. And now I'm going in with my lipstick, which is Velvet Teddy by MAC Cosmetics. So the last thing we're going to do is go in with some lip gloss from Chanel. This is the shade 02. And I'm just going back under the eye, making sure everything is all set and good. And one more time, we're going to go back in with that Fix Plus, set that face, and we are done. I hope you guys like this video. And if you did, don't forget to thumbs this video up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.